Salin dito sa kanyang lagayan para palamigin.
Wow.
Ayan po.
Because in my life, you're always in my mind. Pinaanduraw ka every day.
DJ JB in London Remix.
Naman kumain, kapag makain ka, tapin ka na.
Kaya ako na ito magbalot. Kaya ano ko na ito mga plastic at ino.
Plastic?
Ano, plastic labok.
Ito na yung nagawa nila.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter.
Guys, ito na yung gawa nila. Napakarami na. Mamaya salang natin sa malaking kaldero.
Steps that intersect, dreams that intertwine. And in the gaze of a stranger, we find pieces of ourselves. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter. Sometimes we stumble over thorns, but they are the ones who teach us to value flowers. And when the rain falls, washing away our sorrows, we learn that the rainbow always comes later. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are.
Yan, tatalian sa gitna. Para pag sinalang sa kaldero, hindi na sasabog.
Every day is a gift to paint with love and laughter. And when
Yan,
twilight
tatalian
takes the
magkabilang
sky,
gilid. Ganito guys, ganyan o.
we thank you
Yan,
for
ganito
the
mangyayari
memories,
yan.
for the hugs,
Para hindi
for the
siya
journey that shapes and
sasabog pag
transforms us.
sinalang sa
Beautiful
kaldero o
life, you
niluto
are the
sa kaldero.
song that never says goodbye. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift,
Yan,
every
tumutulong po yung
day
kapatid
is
ko,
a gift.
napakasipag.
To paint with love and laughter.
Ang itin nanay ko, nabigyan ko kasi ng 13 months yan eh. Kaya ganyan.
You are the song that never says goodbye.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year sa lahat! Yan guys, mamaya update na lang po mamaya pag sinalang na sa kaldero at pag naluto. Maraming salamat.
3 hours later.
Yan guys, isalang na po yung moron. Kumukulo na po. Malapit na rin po ito maluto. Dito pa po yung second batch, ginagawa pa. Ginagawa po yung second batch. Medyo konti na lang, kaya nauna yung marami. Mga idol, mamaya ipakita ko po mamaya pag naluto na po yung special muro natin. Mga brother, naluto na po yung ating special moron. Bubukas tayo ngayon. Ayun. Yan, sasalin dito sa kanyang lagayan para palamigin.
Wow.
Ito po yung aking anak. Hi, princess. Hi ka, hi vlog. Hi, vlog. Kain siya. Ano, nak? Tamis? Tamis na po. Mainit. Initan siya, mga brother. Yan.
Because it's so
Ayan po.
hard to forget. Because in malibu, you're always in my mind. Pinahanduraw ka every day and night. Pisang
Sabi po.